I made this light bulb so that I can control it from my laptop. Watch this. I will type what red value I want, 255 for red, the green 0, and the blue I want 0. And once I hit enter, the red should light up. Ready and go. Yeah. Now green, 0 for red, 255 for green, and 0 for blue. And it turned green. Next, blue, 0 for red, 0 for green, and 255 for blue. And it worked. Now I'm going to combine them, 255 red, 255 green, and 255 blue. What color will it make? It makes white. When you combine all three colors, it makes a white light. You can combine them in different patterns too, like 100 red, 10 green, and 200 blue. See what it does? Purple. Yeah. So now 200 red, 150 green, and 170 blue. And it makes a pinkish color. 100 red, 200 green, 180 blue. And it makes a bluish, whitish something color. So I can put in random numbers and make random colors. It varies by the red, green, blue, ranging from 0 to 255 for each of the colors. This is made so that it works wirelessly from the laptop. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, let me know, and have a great one. Be sure to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.